Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have some more project shares to share with you guys. You guys know I've been on a SVG kick, so I wanted to share with you guys another file that I came across. At first, I was seeing on YouTube a bunch of, being that it's Valentine's Day season, there's a bunch of flowers and boxes of roses and teddy bear roses. So I figured if I can create a box of roses in a smaller version, I thought that would be beautiful. They have tons of shadow box, floral shadow boxes on Google. You guys can definitely like search that up and see them. I just thought this was a great idea to share something in a more miniature form. You guys know I love me the cutesy small stuff. So of course I have a ton of flowers that I've gotten in the past from AliExpress. I have some foam ones. I have some of these that I've also gotten in Michael's and in AliExpress. I've hauled them quite some time ago, so I figured why not actually put some use into them. And when I found this file, I just thought it was the best thing ever. So of course, this is what I created. So the first thing I want to show you is the file. Before I show you the file, I found on the Silhouette Design store. I'll have it linked down below. It is meant to be a 6x6 shadow box, but of course I scaled it down to make it a more miniature size. So I want to show you 3 different versions of the way I used the die. The die comes with actually, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, and this is one of the first ones I created. This one has a piece of acetate here, and I did show you guys that I purchased this acetate from Amazon. And this is what I used on the project. So you can make it a shaker. What I chose to do was just prop up on some foam tape a cute little ephemera piece and a cute little layered butterfly, and just cover it up like that. And the paper that I use, I think it's Martha Stewart. It's like the mint green and the pink from Martha Stewart. It comes with this cute little handle. You could either keep the handle, not keep the handle, just your choice of how you want to do it. I used some brads to hold it down in the mint green. And you guys, this is super cute just to add in some happy mail. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. And this one is about, I think, 4x4. But the original is supposed to be a 6x6, which I will do a 6x6 at one point. But I wanted to make the little mini ones for now. This has got to be my favorite one, you guys. And it's just like a little box of roses that you guys can see, like during the holidays, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, they do the real ones and they last for like a year. So I thought it was so cute to kind of like do a little replica of that, a little mini version. This is what the box looks like. Same exact thing. I just didn't use the handle, and then I just stuffed it with little roses like this, little flowers in here. And you guys, I am obsessed. I think it looks super cute, simple, without anything else. I think it turned out super cute, and this is like perfect to give to, like, you know, a pen pal if you're doing a Valentine's Day swap as a little gift. I think it came out amazing, and I just want to make a bunch more, but I don't have a room to have all these projects, so I do one at a time. And then you guys, I ended up cutting kind of like the wrong size, which is this size right here. It's like a smaller size, and then I had this piece left over, and I was like, wait a minute, maybe if I make it kind of like a stand, so you see it kind of like pokes out. So it ended up working out, and then I just used bigger foam flowers for this one, and I just did 9 flowers in the inside. I also propped them up because they were sinking in, so I propped them up with some foam. And this is just like another version of the floral box, but you guys, it's so cute. I absolutely love these. But yeah, you guys, these are 3 different versions that I used, that I made making using the SVG shadow box. So if you guys are interested in creating this, definitely check out the link down below so you guys can create your own little shadow boxes. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the love, the comments. I read them all, and I try to heart them, each and every one of them. But I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.